What's good, YouTube family? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley. If you are new, welcome back, or just welcome. I am bringing you guys a look today using the Colored Raine Vivids Pigment and Shadows palette. This guy was released earlier this year. It was sold out for the longest. However, this holiday season, they had 50% off all throughout the site. And so your girl went on ahead and took advantage and picked this guy up. Here is what the palette looks like. All of these shades are completely matte. All are vegan, all except for Unbothered. If you guys are unfamiliar with Colored Raine, this is a Black beauty brand. It's kind of like more of an indie brand. However, they are now inside of Target stores. So shout out to them, you know, doing big things 2018 and 19, because I believe that was new as of last year. So yeah, I just wanted to create a very colorful look, bringing in the new year with some bang. If you guys want to see how I create this look, make sure you stay tuned and make sure that you hit the like and go on ahead and comment down below if you want to see more using this palette. Okay, go on ahead, enjoy.
Perfect. Perfect. Perfect.